What's up? It's me again, Alexis, and today we're gonna be cooking pasta. Before we cook, I'm gonna show you the ingredients. So first of our ingredients, we're gonna use penne pasta. Second of our ingredients, we're gonna need a block of cheese. Third of our ingredients, we need onions. And fourth of our ingredients, we need garlic. And fifth of our ingredients is hot dog. Our next ingredient is ground pork to add some taste. And some basil for some aroma. And of course, we need spaghetti sauce. Let's prepare our ingredients so we can start cooking. Let's chop the onions. This makes me cry. Let's also chop the garlic and the hot dogs. So we're done cutting the ingredients that we need to cut, and we're gonna check out on the boiling hot water that I prepared for the pasta. Let's go check. So our water is hot and boiling, so we're gonna put the pasta in there. So we're done putting in the pasta. So we're gonna be waiting for the pasta about 5 minutes and make sure it's al dente. Yeah. Al dente means it's not too hard, it's not too soft. It's just right. So our pasta is already cooked and we're gonna remove the water. And I need a help from my mommy. Say hi, mommy. Hi. So let's get started. So next we're gonna be cooking the sauce. If our pot is hot on the bottom, we're gonna put an amount of oil. I'm gonna be using olive oil. So when our oil is hot, we're gonna be putting our ground meat. So we're just waiting for our ground meat to be brown. And when it's brown now, we're gonna be putting the onions and garlic. So we normally cook pastas on Thursdays for dinner. Now we're gonna put the onions and the garlic in the pot with the ground meat. Next, we will put the hot dogs in. Let's mix it while the hot dog is gonna be cooked. It smells good already. Now let's pour in the pasta sauce. a little mix, it wouldn't burn on the bun. We're gonna add a little spice and taste. So we're gonna be using pepper. Now let's put it in. So we're gonna put grated cheese in our sauce. So we're gonna put our aromatics, the basil. Yeah, there. Over there. Rub it so there. Rub it on top there. Rub it on top bottom. Rub it on top other sides.
A few moments later.
So our sauce is already cooked and we're gonna do the plate. So for the plating, we're gonna put the pasta by layer and we're gonna put the sauce and then the cheese. So we're done plating and present to you Pasta Ala Alexis! If you like this video, please press the like button and subscribe for more videos. Alexis the Creative, bye!